It is 5:22 a.m. I just got my first load of laundry in. I'm gonna get my 40 minutes of walking completed. Shower, get dressed, have some coffee. And then I have a lot of work to do. So I'm gonna try and get my work done before my son wakes up. Let's go. I have lost track. So yesterday just I got not great news in the morning. So everything just kind of got put on hold, and that's okay. I have not decided what I'm going to all try and focus on today. I have to do some things, obviously, but just kind of pushing through.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me
When you have a morning full of regret. So I just finished my workout. Yesterday I started the 3rd week of doing my workouts, but the last 2 days I've just gotten really tired in the afternoon, so I just did a really light walk. I have no expectations from the walks aside from just doing the walk for 40 minutes. So I walked, I did a real nice light walk, and I woke up to, again, I was very tired yesterday. I did not finish the dishes. After I made dinner, I just decided it was a job for the next day. And of course I regret that. And because I don't want to wake anybody up, I'm not going to do them right now. I'm going to make my coffee. And then I'm going to do some work on the computer. Today I think I'm going to take it pretty easy because we're going to be going to a funeral and just kind of getting through the day. I think I'm realizing that I haven't really had time to just kind of be alone and process what has happened in our family. And because I have a 3-year-old, when I found out the news, I was crying, and then he really didn't understand why I was crying, but he was so sad, and it just made me realize, like, he isn't my emotional support. I am his. So I've just kind of tried to get through the week without having to put it on him, because he's the one that's around me all the time. So just doing my best to get through it. I understand a little bit more how, you know, some comments that people made in the beginning of me doing the baby steps were the baby steps are really for, or not really for, but they can be really beneficial to someone who might be going through grief or in a state of depression, or, you know, just having a hard time in life, which nobody is immune to. And the baby steps can be really helpful then, just focusing on baby steps. And I get it in that small way. I know I cannot put myself in so many people's shoes, and I am not trying to. But I mean, I get it. Even just last night after making dinner, I told my husband, I said, it can all wait till tomorrow. I'm going to bed. So I get it. You can put things off, and sometimes I'm assuming if they get put off for so long, it can be so overwhelming that it's really hard to get back on track. So it makes a little bit more sense to me now, like, again, but I'm not trying to put myself in anyone else's situation or shoes. I'm just, I think having grace for yourself is really important, and it's okay to let life happen and to process things.